So most of you have already seen my cabin. You have also seen Vada Pav, the trainee's cabin, in his video, A Day with Vada Pav. Let's see some more cabins. Bosun. So Bosun cabin is slightly bigger than other crew cabins. He has standard table, a sofa, another table and a chair, and a bed, also a wardrobe. His washroom on board is all are exactly same, be it my washroom, any crew cabin or trainee OS, everybody's washroom is pretty much the same. So this one here is a motorman cabin, and all ABs also have exactly same cabin. He also has a wardrobe, a table, chair, a bed, and a sofa. So more or less all crew cabins are exactly same. But for example, I will just show you third officer's cabin. Third officer cabin and bosun or fitter cabin is pretty much the same thing. Exact same size of the bed, wardrobe, a shelf, table. Yes, officers also have a small fridge here and another table along with the sofa. This clock is synchronized to the bridge clock. It is in every cabin. And washroom I need not show you because it's the same thing. But his cabin is facing aft, so from porthole we'll be able to see aft part of the ship. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. And if you still want to see some more areas of the ship, please comment below.